We're crabbing. We're crabbing in the afternoon, in the beginning. But it's a Tuesday afternoon. We're crabbing, and there is not a soul around us. We did one run. We brought our traps today. No trout line. I think we got 20 traps. 20 traps. 20 traps. And our first run of 20 traps. We got 4 keepers. They're nice looking too. They're looking pretty hard. Really nice. Here's my power stick from Tech. And I got this on looping, which we're going to turn it off. And it's made for fishing, so the looping part, we want to actually tape the whole time. But right here, this goes right into your port. Okay, you turn your lights on. This powers the stick. Plug this in, and now this is power the whole time. Don't need to switch, no batteries. It's just like that. Really getting dry. Oh, mamba jump. Yes, I'd say. Good eating there, boy. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, you're right. All right, I'll put that in. You don't want to have any heat. Shit, his points are off the chart. Look at that. That's 5.5. Maybe. Hold on. Ooh, no, that's 5. Okay, he makes it. I'm looking at the 5.5. Because I'm so used to that, doing that, you know, part of it. Yeah, I can't figure it out. Probably need a new set. Much better. If you just stay still. crabs in that one. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, there you go. Two. Come on. See that tide is really starting to roll now. Once it gets to the tip of the boat, there you go, now you can get that again. That one there too. Yeah, you put it in gear, just be careful.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got it. That's a nice rusty one right there. That's a nice crab today. I think I had the camera up too high where you didn't see a lot of it, but I got a lot of them. But that's one little run with about 20 traps, so that's pretty good. So, I mean, we get a half a bushel today, we should be good. Everybody, so I just got back from crabbing and I was in salt water, so I make sure I run everything through here, you know, the hose. Don't start your motor like this, but always run water through there for about 15 minutes, and then I will rinse my trailer down. Rinse the trailer down real good, especially the trailer and the boat. And then, like, if you were fishing, if you're out fishing, I would come home and I would rinse off my reels and everything. The one year I went out fishing and I kind of sat them in there and forgot about them the next time I used them, and you should have just felt the salt every time I turned it. I had to take it apart and clean it. So rinsing everything off in your salt water is the best thing to do.